got 1000 euros. So it could be like 1 lakh Indian rupees. This is the huge birthday gift. Hello everyone and welcome back to Abroad Ke Duniya. This is super unusual video because I usually do not make such videos, but today is one of the occasion. It's a Ganpati festival and apparently my birthday is in the same week. So my wife already has got me a gift. As you can see here, this is pretty much heavy box and it's a pretty much cute note she has written. Just a little something to make you smile. So I'm really thankful for my wife's this gesture, and I just wanted to say her that I really love you and thank you very much for this gift. And I'm not really sure what she has gotten me, but she told me specifically that you should make this video when you do the unboxing, because this is something is one of the things you desire the most since you were a kid, and I'm not sure what she has gotten for me in this box. So let's open this box together and try to find out what she has gotten and how thoughtful she was when she was purchasing this gift for me. So let's start with unboxing. As you can see, this is pretty much well wrapped. So I'm really loving it and I do not want to spoil this wrapping, so I'm gonna be more careful. Let's try to do this from this side also. Alright, so almost we are one level out, and now we need to take out the level 2. Oh my god, this is so fun, yeah? I'm so excited, come on. I've never thought of something. I mean, this is really a biggest thing for me that she has thought of getting me something, and this is really, I mean, I really do not have any words to express. So, yeah. Holy shit, we got the camera. My god. And that is the reason I think she was so insisting that I should make a video on this when I do the unboxing, because this is so thoughtful of her. She knew that I have been creating a content for you all. I have been struggling with my phone to shoot the videos, then take it to the laptop, edit this video, and it was super time consuming. And I understand that making videos on the mobile phone was the good thing for me. However, just imagine watching all the informative videos on a 4K resolution and gathering all the information about our experience in Germany, what you need to do when you need to survive in Germany, a lot more stuff. So just imagine having all this on a 4K. This is so thoughtful. So since we have this, our very first camera, and for me, I think this is my one of the biggest purchase. And if I'm not wrong, this camera is somewhere around 1000 euros. So it could be like 1 lakh Indian rupees. This is the huge birthday gift. I've never gotten such tremendous amount of birthday gift in the past. So let's check this out. What do we have inside? Yeah, this is so amazing. All right, so this is organized. Wow, so they have like a layer system. All right, pretty much good. Yeah. So here I think we have a manual for EOS R10, and I was super confused at whether I'm not sure how she gotten into this, but on the other day I was searching on my phone that I should get myself a camera if I have to upgrade my content quality or not, and I was so confused because I had a choice in between Sony EV10 and Canon EOS R10. And for me, I think this was pretty much expensive. If I had to buy it for myself, I wouldn't have even thought in this direction, because spending 1 lakh rupees on a camera was a huge deal for me. So I'm really out of the words for her. So I think we got the manual here, how to operate this camera. I'm gonna leave it here. Second, we have a EOS R10. This is the belt for it. Now we need to open this battery pack. Right, so this is a little bit powerful battery pack. We need to have one more battery when we try to shoot, otherwise it's gonna be chaotic, but that's really good. So, okay, so this is here. they have a charging charger in order to charge the battery. And again, that goes like this, so like this. Yeah. So that's faster, see? And here we see a cable. So I'm not sure cable is work. Okay, let's try to figure this out. All right, so it does fit perfectly. So now we have a first battery assembly. That's cool, yeah. That's pretty much cool. Let's try to see the second part. Okay, so usually I have not seen such packing, but um, let's okay. This is the moment. Ta-da! We got our first camera. So I need to thoroughly study how do I operate this, but this is really good. You guys see it? This is so lovely. So here we have a camera. I think then this should be the lens for the camera. So let's try. Okay. Yeah, we are right. So here we also have our lens for the camera. Let's try and let's check if it is something that will be able to handle it or not, because I've never handled a camera. So I think this needs to be open like this. Yeah. I've seen some videos, so I'm bit, let's say newbie, but I know a little bit. And this should go somewhere here, like this. Wow. So I think this is the trickiest point, because I've seen also this in most of the YouTube videos. When you try to assemble the camera, you need to have this red to this red of the lens. Just simply put this in, and you need to rotate this until you hear that tick. Did you hear it? So yeah, that's the point where it says that it's fully locked. And now we have our battery. And usually in Germany, sometimes you get the battery a little bit charged. I need to see if it is a bit charged so that we can test. And on the side, you get the flip, which needs to be taken down, and then you can put the battery inside. So yeah, I think we have a little bit of power. Let's try and check if it is something. And this is pretty cool, yeah. So I think here we need to do this chart. Then we could be able to set the camera out. Let's do this pretty quick. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Okay, so now it asks for setting up the password, which I did, and I just selected the random location for the geography so that we get to use a camera. I think we need to now take out the lens, and this is the very first mode of the camera. Superb, yeah. This is pretty amazing. Let me take the photo of you all and say cheese. Superb. Perfect. I've never thought that I will get a camera on my birthday. This is so amazing. And thank you very much, my wife, for getting me this really lovely birthday gift. I never thought that I'm gonna get this camera pretty soon, because I was not even planning for the camera, but she knew that my content was getting bit noticed. I was paying my bit hard work, and some things are getting in the loop, the direction I wanted to go. And I think that's something that she tried to be super thoughtful when she got me this camera. And thank you for staying with me, and see you in the next one, wherein I talk about how can you move to the Germany. You can watch this video. Until then, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Auf Wiedersehen.